Because anything that people put together, people can take apart. And that's been true proven all through nature. All you have to do is just study the natural order of the universe. Fire will burn, water is wet. Now, you've seen buildings put up. 1786, the building is built. And they decide that they're going to make a shopping center or something where that building is sitting. That building can come down in 15 minutes, even though the building was built 200 years ago. You've seen that happen right before your very eyes. Anything that people put together, people can take apart. But you have to know how it's put together, and you have to address how it's put together. You can't keep chipping away at something down the street and thinking that you're disturbing something that's 3 blocks away. That's not logical. But that's how black people have been taught to think. We don't see the whole picture. We just see parts of a picture. So we're just chipping away at little edges here and little edges there. And so somebody said something, they called me a name when I went in that store, and so therefore I'm not going to that store anymore. I'm going to all the other thousands of stores other than that one. And all of the other thousands are the same store. We have to realize that. It's like trying to find another comfortable spot on a slave ship. Sure, you might find one, but you're still on a slave ship. And the rats and roaches and whatnot, I mean, are all over the ship. So you're going to get bitten wherever you go. Wherever you go on the planet. There's one system of government on this entire planet, unless I'm not telling the truth. And I always ask people, don't believe anything that Neely Fuller says, ever. Check it out yourself. Go and put it to an acid test and see if it's true. Because I've talked to people, I haven't been very many places on the planet, but I will say this, I have talked to people who have been to many places on the planet, and they say, well, anywhere you go, when it comes to this color thing, it's real. It's real. You may not see it right away, but if you hang around a little while, you'll see it because it's there. It's nowhere to run, folks. And you're going to be insulted everywhere you go. We got to understand that. Until what? Until we replace the system of white supremacy with the system of justice. And that's our job. We can't wait for somebody else to do it. That's what we should be thinking about.